Hello, welcome. My name is David Osamoje. I'm here with you on another t-shirt design in Photoshop. So this is my episode 11. As you can see, if you've not watched it, please go back. I'm recording this on Sunday, the 19th January 2020. So this video is already scheduled. As you can see, it's already scheduled. So it's going to be up on Sunday. That's today recording. So I'm recording now for Monday the 20th of January 2020. So let's get straight around to you so I don't bore you. Please subscribe so that you don't miss out on daily uploads. So this one is going to be done by 4500 by 5400. So I'm going to press OK. So this design is going to be based on the Chinese holiday. Yeah, we all know the Chinese, their New Year holiday is different from ours. So I'm going to be dedicating this design to them solely. So let's get straight right to it. So remember, to start with, I always unlock this layer because I was going to be transferring it to my t-shirt. So I always want this layer to be free. So I'm going to double tap to free this. The next step is to bring in my elements, but to prove to you that this layer is unlocked, I'll switch it off. This is the way you want your design to appear when you're ready to transfer it to a t-shirt. So that's why you see it like this. But for now, I'll put it on. Then I'll go to download, and look for my elements. This is it. They love the dragon, so I'm going to give them the dragon today. So I'm going to make this okay. I'll move this up. So to increase, you over your mouse to this edge, then you press on your Alt key button, Shift key button, your left mouse key button, you drag inward to reduce and drag outward to increase. It's as simple as that. If you didn't get it the first time, please just go back now a little so that you can get that, because we're going to be doing that throughout these videos. And if you watch from episode 1 to 11, you should know how to do that. So once you've done that, just press enter. So now we have that. Just hover our mouse around the elements, press our left key button and move our mouse upwards to get this out of the way. So the next step is to insert our word. I'm going to do 24. I'm going to come here and I'll do my Ctrl V. I already have my written words. So I'll do Ctrl A to highlight and come here and change the colors. Sorry, that's not what I want. Cancel. It's gonna be Chinese holiday. So let me go back. To new. So this is where I get my element from. Remember to always give credit to the creators. They're doing a wonderful job. Just remember to always give them credit. Sorry, new. Yeah. So this is it, Chinese New Year. So this is where I get my element from. Always remember to give them credit when you give the designers credit. That's the only way you make them happy. So any element you use, you always remember to give them credit. So I currently I used the dragon head you just saw. Let me see. Yeah, this is it. This dragon head, you can see. This is just make sure you give credit. Anytime you use it, just make sure you give credit. It's as simple as that. So I'm gonna do just copy this. I'll come back to my elements. I'm gonna do RP happy. Going to increase this, change the color. The happy, see. I will do Ctrl T to increase this. Ctrl T, move my mouse to this edge, Alt key button, Shift key button, left mouse key button, just drag. Be happy. I don't like this font, so I'll come back here, put my mouse here, Ctrl A, just find something simple. Happy. Okay, like this, so just leave this at that. Happy. I'll do it again. Ctrl B. The Chinese. Happy. Ctrl T to increase this. Alt key button, Shift key button, and I'll increase this a bit. So press OK. Chinese, new, year. There we go. So just come here to highlight the Chinese. So to do that, since it was highlighted here, I just did my Control key button, pressing that down, and I highlighted this. It's a tutorial video. I expect you to follow me to the end. I'm trying to go slow here so that you can understand every bit of it, every single bit of it. So now that we have that, just try to make it more I'm trying to find a way to make it fanciful. Just trying to make it fanciful. As you can see, this is just says okay, but I want to change the color a bit. So just come to do that, let me go back. To do that, I'll just double tap on this edge. Please watch my other episodes so that you keep following me on how I do these things and you don't need to get complicated or confused, any way you wish to put it. Press OK. I'll do that for New Year. Double tap on this edge, color overlay, get it. So go. You're good with this. Press OK. So I'll just highlight this, press down my control button, click on this, and just try to move it to the middle. Just try to move it to the middle. You've just used about 9 minutes for this. It's not complicated, but I have other ideas, and I think that's what I'll just work with here. I'm going to click on this, copy this, come back. I'll just hide this and hide this, but I'll delete this, highlight and delete. Press your delete button on your keyboard. Then I'm going to do something different. Just gonna move this here. I'll hide this for now. Then I'll come here, ellipse 2, pressing down my shift button. I'll do this. As you can see, it's covered, so I'll come here and do stroke. Okay, I've done the stroke, so I'll just come here. Now I'm gonna write on this, Ctrl V, Ctrl A, just make that bigger. Just make that bigger. As you can see, then remove this, Ctrl T again, Ctrl T, just turn this a little. Press enter. You can see, do Ctrl T, increase a bit. Sorry about that, we'll do that again. Pressing down my Alt key button, my Shift key button, I'll just increase. Move my hand from my left mouse button, my other two buttons, press enter. So now I just have to make this, to have to center this. So to do that, I'll just drag my arrow. To get your arrow, you do Control arrow. You see it has disappeared. If you do Control arrow again, it has come back. So you just drag your and get it to where you want it to be. So now we'll just do this. Then we'll do Control T again. I'll try to adjust this a bit. Bring this down. Press enter. And now I'm gonna shift these two together. To get the two together, all I did was I like this, press my control button, and I did that. So got that together. So shift this a little bit. Then now I'll come back to my API and put this back on. Shift this a little to the middle. Come here. Then I'll double tap here. Please follow me to the end so that you know how to do every single aspect of this. Then I'll change this to orange. Press OK. OK again. I think I'm okay with this. I'm okay with this. I'll just put this off totally. I think I'm okay with these two designs. Now that we have this, I'll just see it took us about 30 minutes already. So I'll just turn off this layer and I'll save it as pictures. Save it. Save this again. I'll save it as PNG because I'm transferring it into my shirt. So I'll save it as PNG. This is my best setting, so just save it. Now that that is saved, I'll just come over to my, sorry, this was my, like I said in the beginning, this was my last video. As you can see, this mockup, to get this mockup, all you have to do is come to freepik.com. Once it opens, you just come to the search bar like this and type t-shirt mockup. You get your t-shirt mockup. That's all you have to do. Then you over your mouse where you see your design goes here or something like that, they always write it that way. Just double tap, gives you this warning. The warning is to tell you to save after you upload your design. Then we'll bring in our, come to pictures and bring in our Chinese design we just did. This is it. We'll drag it into this place. You notice there's a highlighted box. You just bring that in. As you can see, we have it now. So we come to this edge to reduce it. Do Alt key button, Shift key button, left mouse key button, and drag out. Drag inwards, sorry, to reduce. You drag out to increase, drag inwards to reduce. So press enter. Then you click on save. That was what that warning message was about. That we should click on save after we're done placing our elements. We click on save. It's saved. So we'll just go back. And here you have it. So I want to make this shirt black. So just come here and turn this on. So you've got a black t-shirt. It's super easy, not complicated. Super easy. Now we have our design. That's all we have to do. Now we just have to come over here and save our design. Just save our design. Save as. Come here. It's a full. Save it as PNG. Best settings I have here. Press OK. See saving. And that's all we have to do. We are done with this design. Please, we'll be doing another one tomorrow. Please, every single day I'll be creating a new design. Please stick around, make sure you follow me all through the steps so that you never miss out on any new design. Thanks for watching. My name remains David Osamoje. Sorry. Please subscribe so that you don't miss out on next video. It took us about 17 minutes, longer than usual, but because of the complication in this design, it was not really complicated, but still we got the design. Thank you, and see you at the next.